Building a positive body image is a process that requires you to adopt a healthy perspective about your body. Here is a step-by-step process that will help you to build a positive body image. Step number 1, recognize negative thought patterns. Start by becoming aware of your negative thoughts and the unhealthy habit of criticizing yourself and comparing yourself with people. Step number 2, challenge unrealistic standards. Understand that the beauty standards that are mostly portrayed in social media are unrealistic and most times unattainable. Acknowledge and appreciate the diversities of the body statures, the size and shapes. Step number 3, practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself, be loving to yourself, be gentle with yourself, be patient with yourself. Replace all your negative self-criticisms with self-love and self-compassion. Give yourself the love and care that you would also tend to others out there. Step number 4, focus your mind on body functionality. Focus on what your body can do instead of what you look like. Focus on your abilities regardless of your shape and size. Step number 5, engage in positive self-talk. Replace your negative self-criticisms and negative self-talk with positive ones. Challenge all the negative things and negative thoughts that you have in your mind with positive ones by listening to positive affirmations and telling yourself all the good things that you are capable and worthy of. Acknowledge your body's strength, beauty, and uniqueness. Treat yourself with compassion. Replace negative self-criticisms with much more compassionate and well-meaning and healthy conversations or responses. Step number 6, nurture your body with care. Practice self-care activities that makes you feel good about yourself physically, emotionally, intellectually, and even spiritually. This can include exercise you enjoy doing, nutritional eating, relaxation, listening to music, good sleep, and so much more. Step number 7, surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Surround yourself with people that will acknowledge you and treat you with care, with love, with compassion. Surround yourself with people that will show you love that you so much desire and deserve. Surround yourself with people that encourage and motivate you, people that uplift your spirit, and stay away from people that constantly demoralize you, that constantly talk down on you, that constantly break down your spirit and your morale. Step number 8, focus on building health-related goals instead of focusing your energy or your mind on appearance goals. Aim to improve yourself consistently instead of working yourself out about how you look and how you appear generally to people and to yourself. Aim to build flexibility, positive energy, good hygiene, good eating habits than the way you look. The more you focus on improving those little things about yourself and about your health, the more you will realize that those are the things that truly matters, because those things will also reflect from the inside out and make you look even much better, much healthier, and even much more beautiful. Step number 9, practice mindfulness and self-acceptance. Acknowledge the state that you are in currently and accept yourself just the way you are. Instead of trying to beat yourself because of your appearance, be more open to how you look, and work on improving that gradually. Step number 10, seek professional help if needed. If your body image is drifting you into depression, anxiety, and so on, please reach out to a counselor or a therapist or a coach, because they are trained professionals that can help you to build yourself out of that situation or out of that state that you are currently in. And by the way, luckily, I'm an image consultant and a life transformative coach. So if you need that extra help, or if you need someone to work with you out of this state that you are currently in, please send me an email so we can link up. Step number 11, celebrate body diversity. Appreciate the uniqueness in each appearance, in each shape and size. Engage more often in body positivity communications, and also join communities that promote body positivity, and also seek for resources that will help you to build the positivity that you truly need to thrive. Step number 12, monitor your media consumption. Be mindful of the type of content that you consume. Always stay away from content that promote unrealistic beauty standards, and opt for those that promote beauty in diversity, and also content that promote body positivity and positive mindset. Building a positive body image is a process, and it requires compassion, patience, and care. By implementing these steps consistently, you can gradually shift to embracing your body's uniqueness, your body's true beauty and worth. Meanwhile, in our next video, I'll be sharing with you how to style yourself, or how to dress according to your body type. So if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, please hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to know whenever I post that video. And also give this video a thumbs up so as to help YouTube algorithm to push this video out to more people that also needs it. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.